Carussel is a digital online marketing agency, and our main partner is Apple. Basically, we are creating websites for dealers, for Opel dealers, and we are providing them solutions to sell their cars. It started as a small agency, but then during the years we grow. We started to use Jira a few years ago, and we realized that we need to create also reports from the Jira, because we had to have a clear picture about the issues, about the tasks that we are managing with our developers based on clients' requirements. And also there was a need or there was a request from our management that to have reports so they can see how is the progress with our clients. The problem was that even though we could export data from Jira, it took a lot of time for us to put that data together in a normal, readable and understandable information.
Here at the Carussel, I am an administrator for the Jira, so I have a different view as the normal users. For me, it was an issue to create so many reports and requests from the users, because they cannot do this because of the Jira basic settings. That is, normally you can export files or list via CSV. That is not so user friendly, and the normal basic users are not capable of edit it. We have found the better Excel, and with this we can set up different templates, or I can create different features for the different requests, and this can be reached with easy access all of the normal users. This is a good benefit for me, because every issue can be solved with one template or one pivot table, and it can be reached by all the users, and the requests will be less and less, because every need has got the templates already. During the process, when we try to find a proper add-on for our needs, we tried many different ones, and most of them has got the same issue, that they are not using the default settings for the Jira. So in Better Excel we find the proper solution, that we receive, for example, the logged hours in a proper way, so we can summarize it, or we can create different logics with it, but others cannot be used for this because of the format of the exported values.
The Better Excel could manage everything that we had to report. In the Better Excel we have a possibility to create templates, and basically we need to create them only once, and after that we can benefit from it, because we need just push the button and we have all the data, all the reports.
In addition, for the administration, it is a good feature to have a user export possibility that can be easy to identify how much users with which access or restriction or properties are added in the system. So you can export it in one Excel table instead of somehow export it in database level.
Since I use Better Excel, I can create all the reports more faster, and it takes less time for me to prepare for my meetings, where I can share this information with my team and show the results that we can get from Jira by using Better Excel.